Oh, he's starting. He's starting. Whoa! That's cool. Oh, from that one happy face. Oh, it's still going.
His mouth and his eyes, they light up.
Oh, they do. Sounds like he's saying something. What's that? Okay. Number 2. Where are they? Oh no. Well, look at that. Whoa, I feel like it's going to fall on us. The sky is falling.
It's landing on my head.
Oh, really?
Whoa.
If it lands on the fireworks and all go off right here.
Going to do another one. Hey, Mum, is there a torch? This is more lighter, if like in normal form. Whoa, here's my glow stick back. Gosh, look at that one. That was scary. Glow stick. We're going on to number 3. That's the. You see? It's the Aurora low noise. Apparently low noise. Oh no, it's the darkness. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, look at that! Oh, this is starting. Gonna do anything? Or just... Okay, no, it's not doing anything. It was more like a breathing firework. It was going like this. And then it ran out of breath. Number 4. I love fireworks. Starting. This is another breather. Or yeah, I think these are the Aurora low noise. Well, that wasn't much. Aurora should be up here, not down on the ground. If you don't know what an Aurora is, it's the green light, like it looks like this, except in the sky, but it's not flashing green. It's like this. It's like that. What's this one? Oh, this is another breather. I like the one before. Oh, that's cool. That's like a level 2. Oh, look at that. The other ones have ended. Well, look. This is the neighbors. What's that one?
The Jaguar.
Jaguar. I wish there was a firework that shot out actual animals. You might split this into two episodes or 3. Kelly. Oh. This is heavy breather, asthma breather. Sorry to those people who have asthma out there, sorry. That sounds like one of the PewDiePie computation videos. There was this guy who just videoed him breathing.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm gonna do another part of this video. See ya.